This is a 2014 to 2019 Kia Soul. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Louison Automotive for letting us use the car today. They have a full service auto repair shop in Toronto, Canada, and they also have a YouTube channel. Check them out for engaging automotive content and car buying advice. Check the link in description. Go ahead, open the driver's side door. Now right there, that's where the primary hood release lever is, so pull it. In front of the vehicle, right underneath the Kia emblem over there, on the right edge, put one finger in there and push it left. Now while it's pushed left, lift up the hood. And now the hood, once it opens up, it's going to go up and stay in place by itself. Now once the hood is open, right there, that black air box, that's the one for the engine air filter. In order to undo it, we first have to pull on those two clips over there. One over there, just grab it and pull it back. Yep. And now the second one. That is right there, same process, just grab it and pull it back. Now there are two tabs which slide on there. There's one over there and the second one on the back. They need to slide out of there, right? Only once they slide out can you lift up the cover, like that. See how it slid out? And now I can easily lift up the cover completely. And once you can do that, you can see the air filter. So just grab the air filter and lift it and it will come right out. There it is. Now the way it works is dirty air comes from the bottom, all the dirt gets trapped over there. That's why the bottom side of the engine air filter is going to be dirty. So all the dirt gets trapped over there and then clean air goes into the engine from the top. Now get the new air filter. Before you put it back in though, if you want you can clean up that area, you can vacuum clean it. Up to you, you don't have to, but it's just nice to do it. The new air filter should be the exact same size as the old one. For now I'm just going to put this old filter back in. And the new filter should just drop right back in. Like there should be no gaps. It should sit flush, sits well like that. And now let's put the cover back on. Again, first you have to make sure those two tabs over there, they slide in the slots. Yep, that like that. And the second one is in as well. Only once those tabs are back in the slider, then you can put those clips back on. Otherwise you're going to struggle with the clips, right? So put that one clip over there and the second one over there. And that is it. Now in order to close the hood, you have to lower it and then push it and then slam it shut. Hope you found it useful.